good morning, grade ones. I hope that you are feeling well. It is Friday today. I cannot believe that the week has flown by so quickly. This is the grade one literacy lesson. Today is the 24th of April. My name is Marisha Williams and I am your grade 1 literacy teacher. I hope that we are going to have so much fun today and I hope that you have your stationery ready. I am so excited about today. We're going to learn or consolidate the at and the an word family. So you've done the at already with teacher Rowe, and yesterday we've done the an word family. We are going to do reading, fill in the correct word family, and then we will list at and an. We're also going to play a game. Which one is odd? That means it doesn't belong here. The cat and the rat. The cat and the rat sat on the mat. The cat is fat, not the rat. The cat has a hat, not the rat. The cat gives the rat a hat. Let's read that again. This is a very similar story that you know how to read already. I've just changed a little bit of things there. Let's read that again. The cat and the hat. The cat and the rat. The cat and the rat sat on the mat. The cat is fat, not the rat. The cat has a hat, not the rat. The cat gives the rat a hat. Can you hear how that rhymes? All the at words. Now look what we have on the right side. A man in a van. A man in a van. A man in a van has a fan. The fan is in a pan. The pan is on a can. The man in the van has a fan in a pan, and the pan is on a can. Can we read that again? A man in a van. A man in a van has a fan. The fan is in a pan. The pan is on a can. The man in the van has a fan in a pan, and the pan is on a can. Sure, was that a bit tricky there with some tongue twists in the an word family? Okay, now we are going to fill in some words. Here we can see your pictures of which word family do these pictures belong. Yes, we can see hat, cat, rat on a mat. Okay, let's start. The cat and the rat. The cat and the, what shall we fill in there? The cat and the rat sat on the, which word shall we fill in there? The cat and the rat sat on the mat. Very good. The cat is. What does the cat look like? The cat is fat. The cat is fat, not the rat. The has a hat. Who has a hat? The cat. Well done. The cat has a hat, not the rat. The cat gives the rat a hat. Good. The cat and the rat. The cat and the rat sat on the mat. The cat is fat, not the cat has a hat, not the rat. The cat gives the rat a hat. Good. Now let's look at the an word family. A man in a van. Okay, there's the first one already filled in. A man in a van has a fan. A man in a van has a fan. The fan is in a pan. Very good. The fan is in a pan. The pan is on a, what do we have over here? The pan is on a can. Good, very good. It's already our game time. So now you are only going to look at this row where the arrow is pointing at. This large arrow that's pointing to the right. So we are going to go across to the right, from left to right. Follow my arrow. From left to right, this row says pan, hat, fan. Which one doesn't belong? Which one is odd? So pan, hat, fan. There are two words in the row that sound the same, and the one is odd. It doesn't belong to that row. Is pan the one that doesn't belong? Hat that doesn't belong? Or fan? Pan, hat, fan. It's hat. It doesn't belong in this row. It's odd. So pan and fan belong in the same word family. Very good. The next row, follow the arrow. We're going to the right. Mat, cat, pan. Which one doesn't belong? Mat, cat, pan. It's pan. It does not belong over there. And sometimes we say if something doesn't belong, we maybe make a cross over that one. So this one is odd. Cross the one that doesn't belong. Cross it with your finger. Pan. Very good. Because mat and cat rhymes. It's in the same word family. The next row. Van, fan, hat. Van, fan, hat. Which one does not belong? Which one is the odd one? It is hat. Very good. Van and fan rhymes. Van and fan both end well in an. Last row. Bat, ran, rat. Bat, ran, rat. Cross out the odd one. Cross the odd one with your finger on the screen. Did you get rat, ran? Yes, because bat and rat has at. Very good. Okay. We are going to just go and read the story again. The cat and the rat. You have to remember this now. The cat, read with me. The cat and the rat. The cat and the rat sat on the mat. The cat is fat, not the rat. The cat has a hat, not the rat. The cat gives the rat a hat. A man in a van. A man in a van has a fan. The fan is in a pan. The pan is on a can. The man in the van has a fan in a pan, and the pan is on a can. Now we are going to do something very exciting now. I hope you have your pencil ready. This is your turn now. On your sheet of paper, I want you to copy what you see on the screen now. At the top, you are going to write down the sounds r, m, k, and f. Write down those 5 sounds at the top of your page. And then you are going to make 2 columns on your page at word family and the an word family on your right. Do that on your sheet of paper. R, m, k, and f. Write down those 5 letters on your page and make yourself 2 columns at and an. All right, now I am going to give you a word and you are going to write down in which column that belongs. Okay, so maybe if I say the word, okay, van is not there, the v sound is not there. If I say van, that's an example, van, then you would write down van in your and word family in the column on the right. Okay, So you would write it in the space where it belongs in its word family. Okay. Are you ready? So you're going to choose one of those sounds at the top to go with your at word family or with your an word family. Okay. Write down can. Can. First choose on which side will you write that? Will it be at the at word family or an word family? Then you write it down where it must go. Can. Can. The next one, man. Man. Before you write, first decide will it go on the left or the right, and then you write it. Man. Man. All right. The third word, cat. 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 Choose which side that must go. Cat. All right. The next one, ran. 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 Okay. Next one, fat. Fat. Okay. Next one, mat. Mat. Good. And now the next one, fan. Fan. And then rat. Rat. Now I'm going to give you a chance to write down a word that I didn't say, but you can see the letter over there and see which word can you still build on your page that I didn't say. You get bonus points for this one. Okay, very good. I hope that you were able to write down all those words. Let's see. Somebody's got these words down. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you didn't get them in this order. So you also had to write down the words that I didn't say. Very good. Can you see that all the and word family, the and word family is on the right, and the at family you've written on the left. That is very good if you have written down the same words, the same word family in the same column. Okay, that's fantastic. So on the left, here we've got fat, mat, cat, and rat. And there was one that was still supposed to come here that you could write for a bonus point. Did you write hat as well? Hat, yes, very good. And on the right for an, fan, there's man and can and ran. Very good. Well done. So you only had to use the sounds that were at the top to build these words. So what you can even do is add on some letters at the top and see if you can build even more words. Like V wasn't there, so you can write van. What about if we have S? S? We would write S, at. We would write it in the at word family, so we would write sat. Very good. And what about b? B. Yes, we could have it in both sides. Bet, bat, and ban. That's fantastic. See how many words you can write and which column would be the longest, the at word family or the an word family. And you must also see if you know what these words mean. Give mom or anybody at home some sentences with the words that you are building. So this is what we've done for this week. We've done h, a, n, the an word family and the at word family. We've also consolidated. You have done comprehension. You've answered so many questions. For each day we had a story and you've answered questions around that story. And we've done some reading. Keep on reading over this weekend. We've also done handwriting every day, how to write down your sounds correctly. And we've also done sentence writing. Wow, but you've learned quite a lot this week. Well done. So after lockdown, we will have lots and lots of booklets that you have made for these lessons. That will be very, very nice. Thank you so much for joining in today's lesson. For our next lesson, which will be on Tuesday, because it is a long weekend, we are going to do Gabby and her goat. Gabby and her goat. I am so excited to see you again on Tuesday. Keep safe and you must have a lovely weekend. Goodbye.